Hi, I'm Kimberly from Skin Deep Salon and Spa, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite products, Babor Beauty Ampoules. These mini giants are filled with 100% active ingredient. The reason they're so amazing is there's no preservatives in them. It's the glass case that's actually the preservative. We use these in every facial we do here at the spa, and we also have them available for retail. When you're opening these at home, you want to make sure you're very careful because the case is glass. Each box you're provided with an opener, or you can wrap the vial in tissue. Pop it, pour the contents into your hand, and then apply to the face. When you're working at home, you want to make sure that you press this ampoule completely into your skin. You want to make sure that the skin feels tacky against your hands before you put your moisturizer right on top. When we're working in the spa, we do a beautiful massage to press this ampoule into the skin. We always have every ampoule in a 7-pack, and you can take these and do them for 7 days in a row for an intense treatment, or you can do 4 boxes and do a beautiful 30-day treatment. The perfect way you want to do ampoules, you start off with hydration, then we go to soothing, and then we finish off with amazing anti-aging.